fuck all these hoes. Girl, you should know that you the one I walk.
Damn. I forgot to do the intro. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy, Yo Spider. Back with another video. That's air conditioning. Back with another video. POV. You feel me? Go get a look. You know what I'm saying? Get shaped up. Start my day. Need y'all like, comment, subscribe on this video, man. You see my little chain. Ain't I like little shit like this. You feel me? All black is just D-Lo. You feel me? I know y'all fucking with the hat. But I'm gonna take out a little POV. You know what I'm saying? And I'm gonna give y'all a little cold start. Hey, look. Anybody else? Well, this around time everybody at work, shit like that. So should be good. You know. Look at her. Hey, I got her tinted again. So I got 35 on the windshield. I got 15 on the side. You still seeing that a little bit, but at night it's dark as fuck. I got 20 on the back. Shit like that. So we got a little cold start. You know, watching that nigga, bro. You gotta put the wheel lock on there. Niggas be trying to steal your shit. You know what I'm saying? I don't care what nobody say, bro. You got any type of charger, bro? Oh shit. You got any type of charger? Put that wheel lock on there, bro. I don't care what. They'll do a quick swap on your shit. A quick swap on your shit, bro. I ain't gonna lie, it was a little hot. I ain't gonna care. I'm gonna take this jacket off. Oh. Right off. Here we go. I can't roll my windows down because everybody know when you first get fresh tint, you gotta wait like a week or some shit like that. 7 days. Safety first with the seat belt. Alright, let's get it. Hey, make sure y'all like up this video, bro. Comment down below what percent you got on your tints. I ain't gonna lie, it was a guy. He got 5% all the way around, guy. I'm like, yo, what? No way. What you doing, man? Lump right here. Oh no, it's on down. They need to fix this shit. They need to fix that. Oh. I'm gonna turn the AC on this. Fuck in here. I ain't gonna lie, bro. Everybody like, oh, you just became a target. I done heard that shit like 10, 20 times, bro. If anything, I ain't gonna lie, these are hot boy cars. But still, like, why you black profiling? Why you black profiling? Oh, I ain't trying to get copyrighted at all. Yo, I am gonna have some merch maybe this March come out. So y'all stay tuned, bro. Y'all stay very tuned. I ain't gonna lie, I can't wait to buy my second car, bro. My second car is gonna be wow. I ain't gonna lie though, I think my second car is gonna be a truck. It's gonna be definitely a truck. I had that Jeep right there. I don't know if y'all can see it, but you know, your boy gotta pay attention to the road. He's not turning. He's turning. He's freaking turning. Yo, you ever ride through like where you used to stay when y'all was young? And you be like, dang, bro, I can't believe I stayed over here for this amount of years on this side, bro. Like, I always thought about, like, you know, moving out of, you know, a state and stuff like that. Fuck it, we're taking it. You know, moving out of state and stuff, you know. But actually, when I move out of state, I want to actually have some money saved up, have money coming in. I want to be, you know, have at least probably like 200K in my shit. You feel me? 200K and my business going. I don't want to be Crest 300. I don't know what that is, but yeah. I mean, I think that's Crest 300. It gotta be. I don't really know much about Chrysler's like that. But yeah, when I move out the country, not the country, but the state, I want to have a good amount of money. Business going, my clothing line going. Just really business going, bro. You don't want to move out the state broke. I'm trying to come up in another state. That's just not good at all. For all you young people, make sure you save as much as you can, bro. No matter how much, it can be $20 coming out your paycheck anytime. Like they say, you get paid, right? Pay your bills first. Once you pay your bills first, bust down whatever you got left. You know what I'm saying? Bust down whatever you got left. You know what I'm saying? So, shit. But he really, I don't know what he was doing. That little Chrysler. That shit nice though. I like Chryslers. But back to what I was saying, bro. Yeah. Bust down what you got left in the middle, and then put that other half in the savings, and then whatever you got left, you know what I'm saying? I guess smooch with that motherfucker. You hear me? Smooch with that bitch. Like, have fun, whatever. Food was, you know. If you're that type of person that don't go out, oh yeah, you can definitely save money. People who go out, yeah, they be spending bread. breaking bread. Me, I don't really go out like that. I'm trying to. Sometimes. I'm really a homebody. But, you know, I'm trying to do some stuff. Like me and my girl, we went to the bar at Smoky Bones. We sat at the bar at Smoky Bones, which was cool. One of my coworkers just seen me, which is cool. You know, I had one guy, he was a drunk guy talking to me. I'm like, bro, leave me alone, bro. He funny as hell. It was a drink called That Blue Motherfucker. That shit was funny. And it was so crazy. What was even more funnier, cause I'm like, you lying. He's like, bro. Then the bartender come up. He asked the bartender, what this drink is right here? He came up with a straight face. That Blue Motherfucker. I'm like, what? That's crazy. Hey, comment down below if you heard That Blue Motherfucker. They say it's very well known around. I ain't gonna lie, it was that shit strong. I ain't gonna lie, I'm a weak what you call it? I'm not a heavy liquor drinker. So when I drink, I get drunk fast. Like it hit me. You know what I'm saying? So don't roast me in the comment section. Alright? But That Blue Motherfucker. That shit is crazy. Bro. But yeah, bro. I'm into saving money now. You know, really. Trying to really put my money towards stuff. Now it's like this. If it's something I really want and don't need it, it'll be rare though. Like, for instance, like I wanted my window tinted a little darker, which I got it. I was like, fuck that. I'm going to get it. I hate when people look at me while I'm driving or trying to, you know, see who driving it, all that stuff. Because I had 35 on the sides, you know, so I was just like, man, forget this. I'm going 15, bro. I'm going 15. I'm going 15, bro. I was like, fuck it. My homie's like, bro, you don't be doing no dirt. And then, bro, I be seeing everybody else around me with darker tints. Look at this guy. He did it. Get out the way. Get out the way. Get out the way. But yeah, I was like, man, fuck it. I'm about to get my tints darker, bro. Get me fucked up. But guys, yeah, man. If you're gonna go darker, bro. Whatever state you in, you know, if you see everybody else really doing this shit, why not? Is that close? Is my boy in there? He in there. He look like he in there. Hey, if you ever go to a barber, bro, make sure you have a set barber, bro. Don't ever just be going to barbers. I ain't gonna lie, I had to learn the hard way. I had to really learn the hard way. Like, when I say learn the hard way, like, he's fucking up my hairline. My girl's like, baby, you need to get a damn. She's like, you need to get a permanent barber. I'm like, damn, I do. She ain't want to say, oh, he fucked you up. Where she just beat around the bush with it. But yeah. Anyway, bro, it's your boy Yo Spider, man. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, comment down below what type of tints you got, what rides you got. If you still go to the same barber, you know, it's just a little chill POV to the barbershop. I feel like I should just record. You know what I'm saying? It's your boy Yo Spider. I got more content to come. You know. Yeet.
Fuck all these hoes, girl, you should know that you the one I walk.